Good evening. I'm Vivek Bukia. Github.com/Mr. Vivacious, MRVIVACIOUS. I build primarily I do web dev and voice dev. So today I'll be doing a little unboxing, more like a showcase video of sorts for a cool item I got from Samsung. So it's this. We have this box. Oh yeah, I already opened it. I know what's inside, but for the sake of exposition, we will go through and open it together. Okay. So yeah, so here on it says Bixby Premier Developer. So yeah, Samsung Bixby. Bixby is the voice assistant for the flagship phones from Samsung. To scale, this is a clear point mechanical pencil. Yes, that's how, in terms of height, and then in terms of length, in terms of width. So yeah, that's your XYZ with Technicolor for scale. Oh no, sorry, clear point for scale. But yeah, so Bixby Premier Developer box. So it's a pretty cool box. It's a pretty cool box. Check this out. You have this. Then when you open it, it opens to say, "Oh, do more with Bixby." And now everybody's like, "Okay, oh that's cool." But then you open it again, and it says Samsung in it. It's like, wow. They really, this is not your ordinary box. It is a box, yes, but it's like, it has flair to it. It's a nice box. So, what's in the box? I'll use using my phone here, so I'll just use that to show you what's in the box. Okay, so put the flap down. So we open it, and we see, so we have some socks. See, cool sock club custom socks. 2 socks, if you have 2 feet, 1 for each foot. If you have 1 foot, you can wash your socks twice as less. Yeah, so Bixby's on it, and then like, okay, well, what's the print? Yeah, as the Bixby voice assistant is meant to be ingrained with more than, it's not just a phone assistant, but rather the idea is to have it embedded in several like flagship Samsung devices. So if you have like Samsung TV, Samsung Watch, Samsung washing machine, etc., Samsung fridge, the fridges have Bixby. It's more of an IoT framework where you should be able to find out information about each thing via a central UI, that UI being Bixby. So a case in point, I don't know, you have a Samsung oven, you're cooking, you're baking, and you're watching a movie, you can be like, hey Bixby, via the TV, how much longer till whatever my baking is done? And it'll be like, an hour, etc. And I say that because like on the sock, here we have cloud, like cloud computing. So that's the Bixby Home, I think. Bixby Home connected to what looks like, I guess that's an oven. Not sure. A giant TV connected to your phone or tablet, phone, 2 phones. Your laptop, of course. Location services. That's a fridge. This is a fridge. Yeah, and so on and so forth. So yeah, Bixby socks, and then in here it says Bixby 2. So yeah, cool socks, essential so you can stay warm when you're writing code. You feel me? So what's next? Okay, we have this water bottle. Osubo, health and fitness or bottle. So yeah, if you put something in here, it stays cold for 24 hours, then hot for 12 hours. You know, that's pretty neat. It's like insulating stuff. Yeah, that's cool. But we'll open it up. So yeah, you know, hand wash before use. But see on the box, it looks like a simple steel bottle. But when you open it, it's like, whoa, there's print on it. What is it? I think this is like Bixby and friends. So maybe that's Bixby, and then these are like Bixby's friends. Yeah, I don't know their names. But anyway, also it says on here Bixby Premier Developer. So like this is really cool. Vacuum insulated Asobu, yeah. So yeah, custom water bottle. And see, when you look at it, the shape of it, one thing I like notice. With Alexa, you have Alexa skills. With the Google Assistant, you have Assistant actions. And in Bixby, you have Bixby capsules. So when I see this water bottle, I think like, oh, it's like the shape of a pod, or like a pill, or like a capsule. See it? Capsule? Not just any capsule. This is a Bixby capsule, dog. This is a Bixby capsule. Not only that, it's a cup. And, you know, if it's empty, it's a top. Water bottle, not so much. Spins the other way. Great. Really nice detail though, I'm not gonna lie. Like getting a water bottle, you know, that's cool. But then it's custom print. That's really nice. That's shout out Samsung. So we'll put this back and onto the next one. So what else is in here? Oh, sticker sheet. And yes, you only see one. You're supposed to get two, but yeah, I already opened this and my brother took the other one. But yeah, sticker sheet. Sticker sheet. We have, let's see, well, like HTTP stir. It's like hipster, you know, clever. I like developers rule. Eat, code, sleep, repeat. With Bixby and friends maybe. Then, you know, some standard Bixby stickers. Your voice matters. Cool play on words, but also, you know, your voice does matter. So yeah, use it. I guess this Bixby hardware's fault. It's cute. I like it. Powered by coffee. And so it says here Viv. It's like, okay, well, what's Viv? You see Viv here too. Also coffee. So a coffee and a coffee cup. Viv. So Viv Labs. Yeah, quick backstory. Viv Labs originally created Siri. So Apple Siri was made by Viv Labs. So then Apple, you know, acquired Siri. Cool. Now Viv Labs built Bixby. And Samsung now acquired Bixby. So yeah, Viv Labs is basically the entity responsible for the more popular voice assistants. Then you have here, you have a voice and a megaphone. Yeah. Again, playing to the voice motif. So really cool what I like about the stickers is not like a standardish. There's no central theme to the sticker sheet. For instance, if it was like from like we could have Samsung stickers, then like a sticker of a Note 9 or a stylus, and then like a Samsung thing. But what we have here is we have some Bixby stickers here. We have these Viv Lab stickers. We have these comic character cartoons. Then like this little HTTP stir, your voice matters. So because there's like, it's like many quirks to it. So I think that's cool. There's like stickers for everyone in a sense. So yeah, great sticker sheet. We have this. Okay. So what's this white box? Oh, okay. What is that? Yeah, I'll show you. So take a look. That's Bixby's insignia, 2019 first class Premier Developer. Down here it says Bixby Premier Developer and Samsung's name's on it. So it's like a little plaque, a little paperweight you can put on your desk. You can put it, you don't have to put it on your desk, you can put it anywhere you want. But it's real cool. You can get your fingerprints all over it too, because it's glass. But that's beside the point. But yeah, so what's special about this? Why would Samsung want to include this in a box? And why would I want to talk about it? Why would anyone who get this box want to talk about it? Or even, put it in their desk or whatever. So this, some more backstory now. I was invited to the Samsung Bixby Private Beta Hackathon in the fall of 2018. So I built a Bixby port of my Magical Messages app, which originally came on Android, and I can link to the voice equivalents. It's also deployed on Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant. So that's like my hello world for any new technology in a sense. So I was like, this Bixby Hackathon's cool, I have time. So I built it, submitted it, and yeah, walked away with a clean $500. Big shout out to Samsung. That was real nice. Spent it all on food because college. But anyway, so we have Magical Messages in the private beta, fall of 2018. Hackathon ended, just school, whatever. Earlier this year, 2019, February, I think. Now I get an email from someone on like the Bixby team, like, hey, we really like your Magical Messages capsule. We like what you do with it. Would you be interested in recreating it, and a way so we can publish it? So taking that hackathon project, turning it into deployable software, like marketplace software. And they're like, and in addition, we're inviting you to join like the first class of Bixby developers, or just like you will be one of the first people to be an independent developer for Bixby who's not like, Viv Labs. So I'm sitting here, I code in my hobby, as a hobby, I code in my free time. I was like, wow, this invitation is coming out of a hobby, great. So they sent this. And just finally, S9, Samsung S9. So this is a loaner device meant for testing purposes. Not quite something I can just, start running around with as my regular phone. And if you want to get a test device, you gotta ask him. And otherwise, yes, if you just ask him like, yo, Samsung, can I get a test device? They'll be like, sure. So yeah, brand new S9. There's like sunrise gold. Yeah, the stickers are still on it because I'm not trying to reimburse a damaged loaner. You feel me? But yeah, it was cool, crazy. Comes with Bixby buttons so you can test. You already knew it. Fingerprints, you can see them. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie. What does it mean to be a premium developer partner? It's not a job. It's not like an internship. It's not like a job. It's not like contract work. It's really, you could call it volunteer time. Like, yeah, I'll volunteer to build your Bixby skills, Bixby capsules. Sorry. And what's cool is like, oh yeah, for volunteering, here's an entire box. It'll give you a test device, socks, water bottle, this plaque, stickers. It's like, thanks, Samsung. You are doing that, which I feel should be acknowledged. Really going above and beyond with regards to developer relations, especially developers for whom are not bound by any contract. I said that like if it was a job, you know, you get like a welcome kit. But this is just like got invited. I was like, yeah, I'm down. Boom. Premier Developer. So yeah, I'll add a link for the form so you all can apply to the program too. But it'll be cool to see, you know, where else does Bixby go? Where else does Samsung go? What other cool swag boxes will come out in the future, etc. etc. I think.
This beat is violent, supersonic.
Cool little package I received from Samsung. So I'm yo, good evening. I'm a dog. I'm making an unboxing video because Samsung asked me to.
Is that big?
One day.
Will be more noticed.
Yo, clout, internet clout. Internet clout.